Planning a move in Utah, whether it's local, long distance, or commercial, here's exactly what you need to know to make it fast, affordable, and stress-free. Don't trust just anyone with your belongings. Work with licensed, insured movers like 3 Movers. We're registered with the US DOT and fully compliant with Utah regulations. Utah winters can slow down a move. If possible, plan between April and October. But if you need winter service, we're equipped for snow, ice, and elevation. Don't guess the cost. Get a free, no-obligation quote, flat rate or hourly. Know exactly what you'll pay before moving day. Utah's terrain matters. If you're moving into the mountains, gated communities, or areas with narrow access, let us know. We'll prep the right truck size and manpower. Save time and reduce stress by bundling packing, loading, unloading, and storage. We do it all, so your move is seamless, start to finish. Relocating to or from Utah? Make sure your mover is federally licensed for interstate jobs. 3 Movers is authorized nationwide. No third-party handoffs. From Salt Lake City to St. George, we've helped thousands of Utah residents relocate smoothly, with 0 damage claims and on-time arrivals. 3 Movers combines local knowledge with national coverage. We offer residential, commercial, military, and specialty moving services. On time, on budget, every time. Need to move in Utah? Get your free quote in minutes at 3movers.com. Fast, affordable, trusted.